Here's how I edit my clients' Zoom recordings in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so if you don't know, I have video editing clients, and oftentimes they are giving me their video footage that they've recorded with Zoom, and they want me to edit it. It can be for a video they want to post online, on social media, Facebook, or their YouTube channel. And because everyone knows how to use Zoom, especially from the pandemic, so almost every business professional knows how to use Zoom because we all had to do the Zoom meetings. So let me go through and show you how I make Zoom video recordings look better, because this is what it originally looked like. This was the original footage from Zoom. And if you know Zoom, Zoom doesn't really record in the greatest quality, for now at least. Hopefully in the future, you know, they can fix this and make it HD quality. So this was the original Zoom footage that I got from my client. This is Corey. He's from Investor Life, the YouTube channel, and it's a video of him telling his story, like how he became Investor Life with his wife and they started their business. The video content itself was great. He's going into the whole thing, telling the story, but what I wanted to do was make it better. So here's what I did. First, you can see that Corey recorded this video with the camera downwards, so it's facing upwards. Typically when I'm working with my clients and I'm telling them about recording, you definitely want the camera to be higher. You want it to be eye level or higher, not down below looking up. But he already recorded it like this, so I can't really fix that. So what I did to help combat that is I did this. You can see that from here, there's a lot of space up here, like from his head to the ceiling. There's a lot of space on this side and a lot of space here. And there's just like a lot of empty space. So what I did was I clipped it. So I went to the original video, this one right here, and I went to the crop tool and I cropped out a significant portion to kind of just keep it in this space here. And so you see when I clipped it, it looks a lot better than the original footage, in my opinion. Now, because I was clipping it, I needed to add some other things. So I told you I clipped the top and the sides. In doing so, I wanted to add a colored background to kind of encapsulate the video. You know those videos you see on Instagram and stuff where they have some text and it's like in a little box and stuff? That's a little bit of the feel that I was going for. Because if I just made it smaller and then I didn't put anything around it and it was just black, it would look incomplete. So I added just this simple two-tone background. These are their colors, the black and the green. So that's why I chose those colors. And when you do like a two-tone, one color here, one color there, it tends to look good. So I added that as a simple background, and it's basically, I just added a color strip down at the bottom here. And if you notice, I actually did it off center. It's not center. It's a little bit lower, right? Center would be around here, so I did that on purpose. Again, all these little design things, they all add up to make it visually appealing. And then so because I chopped out a bunch at the top, there's going to be some blank space here. And I purposely wanted text. I wanted what this video was about. So it's kind of like a title. I put the Investor Life Story, how we got started investing into real estate, because this is what Corey's talking about. And so I added the same color as the bottom here to match their color scheme. And I just put that up at the top there. And obviously, last couple of touches is I went through the entire story video and I removed all of the dead air, pauses, and even sentences that I thought were not necessary for the story. One thing I've learned with being on YouTube for all these years is that you need to get straight to the point, and people want the information fast. So I went through this whole thing and removed a lot of the ums that Corey was saying, removed certain pauses when he was thinking, removed sentences that he might have repeated again, and just tried to make his story as condensed as possible. And so that's why you see all the little pieces here, is because I went through and removed all that stuff out to make the story really concentrated. And so this clip was filmed actually in 2019, but we managed to take it, revamp it, add some visualness to it, and re-release it to their new audience. So those are some things that I did to make this Zoom recording look a lot better than its original format. So next time you are editing some Zoom footage, definitely try these techniques out to make it look visually better. If you thought this video was helpful, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.